is your boy, no, it's your man, Odira. And we have food challenge here. And don't forget that in Delhi, the chief priest want to challenge Spanner very soon. And Spanner said in Delhi, you can't do nothing. The only thing you know how to do is to do the women. Oh, is to do. Oh, okay. So in Delhi, we are waiting for you. We are standing by. Now we have pap and 3 this small breakfast and 3 okpa. You understand? In English, it's called
Okpa.
Okpadis. It's called okpadis. So it's called beans food. Beans baking food. So now we want to know who is going to be the fastest to finish the food. If you finish first, you stand a chance to win yourself 5K from me to any of them. But I know I am going to shut it down because this one I know how to do it. Spanner, you know fit. I said. Okay. All right. So guys, are you ready? Alex, are you ready? Spanner, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Keep it. Start! Guys. Hombre. Spanner. Hey. Hey. Jesus. Spanner, why okay, Spanner, you don't do, you win. We know. Hold on, please, hold on. Hold on, please. Hold on. Spanner, when we want to start this game, we don't say we'll use this phone.
But na strategy now. This is just a challenge. First to finish. Anyhow you want to use it, anyhow you want to do, just make sure you finish before every other person.
Spanner, this is not what we discussed. Yeah? We said spoon.
This one waiting.
Yeah? This one, big spoon. Yeah?
That spoon is still calling boss.
Guys, don't put your hand inside my food. Don't put your hand.
Hey, sorry.
Guys, please. I think he needs a doctor. This is the end.
One spoon. One spoon.
3 hits. 3 hits. Hey. Even they lick the hits. This boy will just fly one day. Thank you. God to send.